Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into an easy way to create notes in the ClickUp app. Whether you want to jot down ideas, reminders, or important information, this guide will show you how to do it quickly and efficiently. First, open the ClickUp app on your mobile device. Next, tap the Create button located at the bottom center. Next, select the Note option from the menu that appears. Then, click on New Note at the bottom left corner to start a fresh note. After that, tap the Create button at the top right to confirm and enter the note interface. Once you are in the note editor, you will see a pen icon at the bottom right. Click on this icon to begin writing your note. You can type freely, add any important details, and organize your information as needed. When you are done writing, click on the Save icon at the top left to make sure your note is stored safely in ClickUp. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.